not just the U.S. Across Europe tonight, the oppressive heat turning deadly already. Hundreds dead in Spain and Portugal and elsewhere. The wildfires, the terrain surrounded by those flames. And the very rare warning tonight for the people of Britain, where just about 1% have air conditioning in 100-degree heat. ABC's Will Reeve in London tonight.
Tonight, terrifying images of a passenger train surrounded by flames. Passengers in Zamora, Spain, petrified as the train passes through fire on either side. Dozens of out-of-control wildfires across Spain, Portugal, and France have forced thousands to flee their homes as a deadly and unprecedented heat wave scorches Europe and the UK, which issued its first ever extreme heat warning. Officials say at least 1,100 people have died in Spain and Portugal already as a result of the heat, and fear the true death toll won't be known for weeks. Less than 1% of homes in Europe have air conditioning. The same goes for the UK, and now they're also facing unprecedented heat.
Now, a number of people have been saying maps in the past didn't look this dark. Well, the fact is that they didn't, because we've never seen temperatures as high as this in the UK before.
Our Inez de la Quatara on the scene.
Here in France, you can see that thick smoke. Those flames freshly reignited, strong winds and extreme heat fanning the flames.
In London, it was so hot at Luton Airport today, flights had to be suspended when the tarmac started to melt, and typically impervious Buckingham Palace guards needed water.
Here in the UK, where officials have linked at least 11 deaths to the heat, including several drownings, government scientists are now warning that the intensity and frequency of these heat waves can be linked to climate change.
ट्रैक्टर ही साड़ गया है और ट्रैफिक लगा दिया अल्लाह खैर कैसी याद हवा बदल गया अल्लाह आई कार दे दी बस हवा बदल गया अल्लाह खैर कैसी हवा बदल गई बनिया ना काट नहीं मारदा मियां हवा बदल पानी ठीक है लाया सब ने गोगला हो गया हां नहीं आगे ट्रक नहीं पेंदी पाएगे भाई नहीं पेंदा तो आग बंद हो अल्लाह कर सो हो जाओ आग बंद हो हवा ही होगी बस अल्लाह भारत से नहीं आ गई अल्लाह खैर कर दे बस नहीं ट्रक तो बच गए अल्लाह माफ करती अल्लाह माफ ट्रक ने बचा गए ट्रक बच गया अल्लाह का मेन इंशाल्लाह।